Hi guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add review feature into your app. With the review page in your app, you can gain customer view for your business products and services and improvise accordingly. Now let's get started. Let's add the page. Click on view all here and search review. Click on the page to add it. Here is your review page name. If you want, you can change it from here. You can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Here you will see two methods, review and Yelp. Click on review to add it. In the form name, you can enter your desired name. In the email notification field, enter the email address on which you want to receive notification. Now enter the email subject here. In the language settings section, you will see all the alert messages appearing in your review page. If you want, you can change them. Now let's add Yelp review feature. Enter your business name here. From here, you can change the Yelp review menu icon. If you want, you can select icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Now enter your Yelp profile URL here. Click on add more to add multiple Yelp profiles. From here you can delete the Yelp feature. Next comes page style and color scheme. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image or solid color from our library or upload your own custom background image. If that's not enough, you can also upload different custom images for both portrait and landscape mode. For use of the same for both modes. If you want, you can also change the page layout from here. Once you are done, click on save and continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.